Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this short tutorial we will learn how to draw a line with an arrowhead in AutoCAD. It is perfect for diagrams, flow arrows, annotations, 2D drawings, schematic drawings, AutoCAD electrical, etc. So let's make this exercise. Let's go to your AutoCAD, select New, select ACAD and select Open. First of all, I will put off these grids. And you can see my workspace setting is drafting and annotation. So let's go to here leader and let's make one leader. And you can see I cannot make a straight line, so I will put on this one ortho. Now I can make straight lines, as you can see. And let's make this up to maybe here. And now you can see, press escape. Now you can see we have arrow, but very small arrow. So I can change its dimension. Just go to here annotation. Select this one and I will go to here modify, go to here leader structure and I will change this scale to somewhere 15. Okay, and close. Now I will draw another leader. Go to here leader and now I will put off this option and I can write some text. Let's say this text would be section AA. Just right click here, go to your UCS icon setting and select this one, UCS icon at origin. So it will be moved to origin. Next is I will draw a circle. Let's say one circle here and another circle. Let's say here. Let's go to here leader again and I will make one leader here. And I will write, let's say, circle. This is just a practice. Now I will make another leader, and this time, let's say I want only this side. I don't want this line. So I will go to here leader again, and I will make one leader, let's say here. Now I don't want this one. So first I will select this leader, go to here command line, and I will write explode. I will choose this command, explode. And now I can delete this one. And now you can use this in your drawings. So that concludes this short exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my playlist, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.